So we're here, day 7, final day. We'll catch you up on everything that ended up happening last night. Can't ruin the night. What else is new? But I just had to vlog to show you the little monkey towel animal we got last night. I wanted to show you before, I need my sunglasses for the day. We heading out and like my future is very bright out there. So maybe when we're waiting for breakfast, we'll tell you what ended up happening last night.
We is at the boardwalk. I look like doo-doo. And we're trying to get some Johnny Rockets breakfast. I got coffee and omelet, toast, and bacon. You?
I got the 2 eggs scrambled with bacon and toast. I think like some sort of hash brown potato.
I got the works, which is the potatoes with all kinds of stuff in it.
Okay, so
We had breakfast at Johnny Rockets.
we had breakfast at
good.
Johnny Rockets. It was phenomenal. Well, no, actually I take that back.
It was good. It wasn't
Reboot. It was good. It was a good breakfast. You know,
It was complimentary.
yeah, I was gonna say we didn't pay for it, like it wasn't an upcharge breakfast, so it was good. We went to the Royal Promenade. They had 2 for $20 teas, so we went and got in that madness and got a bunch of teas and
A bunch of raffle tickets.
mugs and raffle tickets, and he got a little ship, like a model ship. And we have an 11 o'clock appointment at the spa, and it's like 10:50, so we're good for that. So stay tuned. Okay, we are in our jacuzzi room in the
For
spa.
the bathing ritual. Also intended for couples, not siblings. I don't know how we've ended up in this situation. There are
Twice
rose
now.
petals.
Twice we have had the same situation.
She
Plus,
kept telling us to have fun. I'm like, it's not gonna be like that, sis.
but we got champagne.
Then you get champagne.
There are rose petals and rose. And this jacuzzi.
Milk protein and melody in it. To detoxify your body or something.
It's also very small.
Yes.
Cute flags. So here's the room. A shower with no curtain. So that's cute.
Yes. You're seeing it.
It's
here
for the
first.
vlog.
We're too busy today on the last day to get wet all over. Had to deal with that. So we're just gonna soak our legs, drink champagne. Well, I'm canceling drinking the champagne. So
Yeah, I'm not drinking, so he's drinking them both. He's gonna get a little buzz on while we sit here and exfoliate our legs in
detoxify our legs.
milk bath. Are people into this? Comment below.
I don't know. We got roped into it by accident because we don't know what we're doing in the spa.
I guess if you're a couple, this might be nice. We are 10 minutes into this bathing ritual,
This couple's too busy.
and we're bored. Have you spilled your champagne?
No, not yet. I spilled the first glass, but I still got half of this.
So we're bored. It's only been 10 minutes. The water feels
I
nice.
need a bottle of champagne to get me through an hour.
So here we are. The bottoms of my feet feel soft. So yeah, update. Update. It's now 11:30. We are getting out. Did you drain it?
No, we spent a good amount of time in there.
Y'all, these robes have little roses on them. We're not about that.
We're also not a couple. We
We are
the
brother and
We
sister.
bought the thermal package for 2, not for a couple.
Yeah, it was just
The
cheaper
woman
for
sold
2
it-
people.
The woman sold it to us as a thermal package for 2, not a thermal package for couples.
Obviously, we don't take baths at home either, because that's ratchet. Why do you want to sit in your dirty water? Just relax in murky brown sludge. Ew. Okay, so we've also discovered that like when you come to the spa and go to the thermal suite, the robes are really small. Like they fit me, but my brother needs a larger robe. So he's gonna try the robes on for us.
So I think they gave me one of these robes the other day. I can't walk around in the thermal suite like this.
That's cute.
This is inappropriate. Okay. Well, this other robe, it looks bigger, like it's a man's robe. So let's see. It still don't really fit me because I'm fat. But it's at least longer in the sleeves and longer in the robe length itself.
Looks a little better. You're still going.
So maybe if you're not fat, you should request a bigger robe. If you're fat, you should just wear your own clothes because the robe ain't gonna do for you. I'm sorry.
You heard it here first, folks. Robe 101 in the spa. Hope you've enjoyed our spa experience today from the bath ritual room. Like, what? What did we get ourselves into? Fingers are moving. If you get seasick easily, the spa might not be your place.
Yeah.
The tub is drained. Okay, what are we talking about?
Now, I personally enjoy the motion of the ship, but last night Catherine wasn't feeling well and was really feeling the motion. But here on deck 6 in the front, forward of Oasis, the spa moves a lot.
You feel it.
You feel it a lot. Like we were on the thermal hot beds, what do they call those? The heated loungers in the thermal suite, rocking and rolling the other day. So that's something to take into consideration when you're trying to relax and get your spa on.
If you get seasick, you don't
You're
come
gonna
down
be
here.
sick if you get seasick.
Yeah.
Because it's strong here. It's very
rocking.
strong.
Yeah, you hear like all the movements of the bone like
Yeah.
creaking and stuff.
Yeah, and it sometimes sounds like you've run into an iceberg.
Yeah. So keep that in
But we've
mind.
enjoyed our spa experience, you know, even though we.
And I
got
didn't
things we
get any
didn't-
seasickness till last night. So
And
we've gone
last night
7
we
days.
left Cozumel and we're heading back to Florida across like the Gulf of Mexico, I guess.
Yeah.
And it was rocking and rolling. She got seasick. She
I thought I
get
was gonna
sick,
die.
But she was very dizzy and disoriented and nauseated and sweaty and confused and
But
anxious.
I use seasickness bands and
Bonine and Dramamine
and Benadryl,
and Benadryl and
and-
ginger juice.
and I live to tell the tale. So, and I like propped up on 3 pillows in the bed. There you go. Goodbye, spa. It's been real.
We have enjoyed the spa. We'll see you next time.
Okay, so we walked out the spa so you can stand above the promenade. So here's the view.
This is last sea day. They're doing the 2 for 20 teas and watch sales.
There's
and
raffles and sales and everything going on.
stuff. And it's just now about 11:40.
Sorrento's again.
Last day Sorrento.
Day 7 time to eat Sorrento's. I didn't get it yesterday, but I had it twice one day, so we're still on track.
How is it?
It's so good. It's my first time to get something other than pepperoni. It only took 7 days. Is this the cotton candy line? I can't even tell. It's a big old cake. Yes, it is. Update, I do not want cotton candy bad enough to stay in this line.
As I say, it's just like cottony sugar.
Not today, sis. Got too much to do.
So this is Catherine trying to pick an outfit for this afternoon and like get ready to start packing.
It's our last night. No, I wouldn't wear. I'm not okay.
Hey, you sure?
Are you zoomed in?
Yes. On your sad face.
Oh, I can't. I cannot.
Last days on the cruise be
These
like.
are my PJs. I'll need these tonight. Are y'all gonna turn in pool towels while you go down?
Sure.
And my bikini needs to be put up.
Disembarkation sadness.
I'm very sad and I'm very overwhelmed. Wow, I got so much stuff. I'll go get it all back in the suitcase.
Why you bring so much stuff that you forgot that you had and didn't even wear?
I forgot I had it. Okay, I have to go take a shower. I can't even deal with this. It's staying here.
And Marie is gonna hate you.
Okay, so we are showered. We are ready. They're going to next cruise to book our next cruise. And I'm going to get coffee and I'm going duck hunting. So that's the tea. That's what's happening.
Okay, we're at next cruise. It's popping off, but we have an appointment. So we can book our next cruise. Woo-hoo. You ready, Chin Chin?
I'm so excited. So, I have acquired coffee, and now I'm gonna go duck hunting. Because I really, really, really want to find a duck. Currently in Central Park, because a lot of people hit ducks here. I found a freaking duck. I found it. It's at Johnny Rockets in the R. Look at it! I found a duck. It has a crown on it. My entire life is complete. I found a duck. I'm eating Sorrento's. Life is wonderful. Okay, so we are at day 7. I have found a duck. It's right here. Last time you saw us, I found a duck. Dave was going to the next cruise. Guess what?
Symphony.
Our cruise is booked. We're on the Symphony of the Seas in 357 days. It is a 7-night.
I was gonna say we are on deck 10 on this cruise. Oasis is deck 10, room 327. On Symphony next year, we are deck 11, rooms 11, 327, and 329. So there'll be
right
the
next
same.
door.
There'll be one level up, and these same 2 rooms.
Wow!
And that cruise is a 7-night, and it will do Coco Cay, St. Thomas, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Labadee.
We are lit. We're not lit about this packing happening right now.
We are addicted to cruising.
I
can
am
tell you that.
packed, waiting on Dave to be packed, and then we'll pretty much be done. Then we get to go enjoy the ship for the last night and hang out and chill, and it's so much fun. And we're gonna do it again in 357 days. Y'all should all be very jealous. Join our cruise. We'll start a group cruise. How about that? We need Nurse Nancy and Favor to be on it. So yeah, I would cry. Anything else to add for the vlog?
Packing sucks. It's so good to get here and unpack on boarding day and get all your stuff out. Use your Clorox disinfecting wipes, clean it. This is going to be your home. It was excellent. We didn't get sick. It's been
We
clean.
still got one more night.
Well,
I got seasick.
yeah.
We've been rolling, man. Ever since we left Cozumel yesterday, like, we've been on some rough seas. Not really. It's not been that bad, but I mean, it's been rolling and swaying. What was that other word? I don't know. Anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Just checking in. That's what we're up to. That's the tea. Give me a timestamp.
Timestamp. It is 4:52.
It's 4:52. We're finally all packed. We've got the room, put back together. We have our pool towels we're returning. Then we're gonna go chillax. We gotta go up to the top deck.
Do some exploring.
Yep.
Last minute exploring.
So stay tuned. Let's see what we get into. They have now turned in their pool towels. Our pool time is over. We're not
Pool towels are
okay.
dropped off.
We're lit. We've been doing a drink around the lime and coconut menu, and we're almost done. So,
Last three.
ready? Cheers! In the solarium, get wind blown.
We're rocking and rolling.
Rocking and rolling. Coming at you live from the sales. I mean, it's been open since what, 10:30?
Yeah.
So I mean, it's picked through at this point.
And people still picking.
So this is what's left. We're just strolling. Y'all, it is dining time, and we're currently looking for Nurse Nancy. So I went up and my brother went down, and we're in search of her at the dining room. Maybe, you know, for early dining. So yeah. He told me to go up, but this is the wrong floor. I just realized that. I have to go back downstairs. Okay, now I'm running down the stairs to deck 3 because the dining room's actually on 3, 4, and 5, and I went to 4, 5, and 6. You sent me up to deck 6, so it should have been 3, 4, and 5.
I realize. I'm sorry. Still no luck.
So that's the tea. Nurse Nancy, if you're watching this, please find us because I'm very tired.
And we want to see you and meet you.
Help! Marco!
Big fan.
Eating my last hot dog on the boardwalk!
Bad times.
But we're loving life, and in 357 days, we'll be back on Symphony.
Symphony of the Sea.
We're so excited!
Already started the countdown.
Woo! Can't wait till our next cruise! It's cruise day!
It's not, but it will be.
Okay, so
Still not.
I went to the room, took some more motion sickness pills because we be rocking, and I'm afraid now. We're looking for Nurse Nancy with no such luck. Let's see what else. Oh, you saw me eat the hot dog. It was really good. Update. Dave got run out of the dining room for
deck 3.
being such a stalker. I encountered a very sick woman in the bathroom. So
On deck 4 outside the casino.
I skirted out of there. We don't play that game. I mean, I would want people to leave if I were sick.
Right.
I'd be like, leave me be. We took a picture with our wonderful and amazing room steward, Emery. She is phenomenal.
If you happen to get Emery, she is amazing.
10 out of 10, love her, treat her well because we love her, and she...
If you don't treat her well, we'll find you.
Yes, we will kill you because she is a precious...
I wasn't going to threaten their life.
She is a precious jewel. And now we're going up to the top deck because I want some pigs. You know how I be. And still look for Nurse Nancy.
Feel